the daily rain shower. But now, as I'm lying in this new tent, I must admit I really like the architecture. I really like that it's sort of light inside. That's the advantage of the gray skin. And I really have got the feeling that the architecture gives me more space. Not much, but it is a little bit more space. And I really like it. If there wouldn't be a seam on the bottom. So, however, I will get the same again. Good morning. Well, it's still cloudy, and last night it was raining like hell. It was really bad, but the tent was good, yeah. But well, I was watching always this zoo on the bottom of the tent, which is staring at me, full of evilness, and tell me, shall I let the water in or not? It's really... And well, today we will hike 25 kilometers to Richard. He's waiting us, and there I will stay for a couple of days, and we will plant trees of memories for suicide victims, and 3 or 4. And and working a bit in the suicide prevention, and it will be exciting. I am on the bike line R2. It's the Mur bike line. Mur is the river here, and it's really beautiful. Someone told me I have to go and to see and to eat ice at the ice salon Töttling in Kapfenberg. They would have the best ice. And what shall I say? They have got the best ice cream I have ever eaten in the last 4 years. It's so amazing. And in the fridge they have something. I think I have to eat that too. I had to buy a second one, and this is it's a nougat ice cream dumpling filled with marillen marmalade. Marillen are sort of apricots. The evil thunderstorm clouds are back. I can hear the thunder in the faraway distance. I really hope we will manage to reach Richard before it starts. What would I do if I win in the lottery 30 million euros? Next to giving 2/3 of it to our association Trees of Memory, well, I would make the pilot license for helicopters. I have got a pilot license for paragliders. So the distance between, the difference between is not that big. And the cheapest helicopter is 1 million euro. Well, I wouldn't buy one, but I could rent here and there one and then fly by my own. That would be really nice. The humidity increased. It's really It feels very tropical, as you can see behind the bad thunderstorm clouds preparing for attacking me. On the left hand side the same, but nevertheless I had to change the street because this main street where I walked along, I really thought the noise will kill me. It's so bad, and here it's really sort of nice and relaxing, and the area is nicer. So maybe I will make it before the rain comes. I'm standing under a bridge. Today it was really cool because on the bike line there was all of a sudden a school class with 15-year-old girls behind me together with their teacher, and one of the girls asked, "What is suicide?" And the teacher said, "Self-murders." And then a girl asked something else, and then I turned around and I said, "Well, I can explain you that." And then the teacher took time, and then we were standing there on the bike line. I could talk about 15 minutes to them, explaining what can happen if a depressive crisis came up after you lost your first love, for example, what you can do. I explained why it's not self-murderous, because murder is per definition something completely different, and it was really cool that they listened to me and gave me this opportunity. And I really hope that I left something. Good that I'm indoors.